Welcome to C# for Crestron programming. In this video, we will see how data can be carried by an event from publisher to subscriber through the use of a custom EventArgs class. We'll be starting with a C# console app.NET Framework project called Custom EventArgs. An additional .cs file called Event Details has been added to the project, with an event declared and code to trigger this event. Within our program.cs file, we have our program class and a working class defined. Working class contains code to subscribe to an event and an event handler method to confirm the event was received. For a detailed background on this code setup, please review the Define, Subscribe, Raise, and Multiple Subscriptions events videos. The default event handler delegate used when our event was declared requires the parameter of a type EventArgs to be passed in. EventArgs itself does not carry data and acts as a value to use for events that do not need to carry data, as in our example. If we wish to raise an event and carry some custom data related to the raising of the event, we can do so by creating our own data carrying class that inherits from EventArgs. Here we have declared a class called CustomArgs and used the colon notation to inherit from EventArgs. While in some cases it is not required to add this inheritance, it is recommended by the .NET guidelines. To carry the custom data with our event, the delegate providing the signature for our event needs to know about the new type of EventArgs. The event handler delegate has another form that allows a type container to be declared a custom type for our EventArgs. You can see the new signature from the delegate, event handler, with T EventArgs as the type. The type entered here will supplant the EventArgs E declaration in our code wherever it had been referenced. This includes in the onEventTrigger method, the method to trigger event, and the subscriber event handler method, ed_myEventToRun. At this point, our program contains a CustomArgs object, is ready to seed in property values, and run on event trigger to raise the event. As a reminder, method to trigger event could be run from any other class in our project that has access. Now we create a method to seed in the property values. Applying this method to the default constructor. We have already created an object for the CustomArgs class to carry our data. Now, in our new default constructor, we have put in code to assign two sets of values and trigger the event after each assignment. In our output window, we can see the result of the event passing the CustomArgs to the subscriber event handler for output to console. You have now seen how custom event arguments can be used to carry any custom data to the subscribers when an event is raised.
Thank you for watching.